Welcome back. In our last practice, we find 3 similar right triangles. In this practice, we continue to practice how to find 3 similar right triangles. Then we're going to write a proportional relationship. Alright, let's look at the one on your left-hand side. I'm going to start with the big one. And then we're going to the medium-sized triangle. Then we're going to the small right triangle. For the big one, I decided I'm going to say the order is Y, Z, X. Let's check. If I go to Y, Z, X, I'm going through the order that says shorter leg and longer leg. Therefore, for the medium size and the smaller, when you're writing it, please also follow the same order. Let's pause the video, see what you can have. Alright, did you see my medium sized? I have Z, W, X. Let's check. I'm gonna change the color. Let's look at the medium sized one. We have Z, W, X. Once again, we follow the order that says shorter leg, longer leg. Okay, let's write for the last one, smaller one. The small triangle is Y, W, Z. Alright, don't forget to add similar, similar. The bigger triangle is similar to the medium-sized one and similar to the smaller one. Okay, let's write a proportional relationship. A beautiful proportion says the 2 ratios are equivalent. So on my left-hand side, I have XW is to what? Equals ZW is to YW. Pause this video, see if you can find. Alright, welcome back. I would like to look at ZW to YW. ZW, I'm going to change color again. Right here. To YW. So, if you look at ZW to YW, it is a medium-sized triangle. Medium-sized triangle. The shorter leg, remember shorter leg we denoted using letter A. YW is a small-sized triangle. The shorter leg also denoted using A. What a beautiful relationship. A to A, shorter leg to shorter leg, medium to small, which means on the left-hand side, we also need to look at a medium. We also need to look at a small triangle. Left-hand side give us medium. XW is a longer leg denoted using letter B, which means I need to find a small triangle denoted using letter B, which is a small triangle, the longer leg. Okay, now small triangle, longer leg, we're going to write down ZW. ZW, that's a small triangle, longer leg. Okay, we got it. We're going to put down right here. Alright, that's our first practice. Now, I have a question here. See if you can write down 3 similar triangles. Write down their name in order, and then see if you can answer the question. And this side I have SQ to TQ. Welcome back. I hope you have tried your best. Maybe you found some really awesome answer. I'm going to write down my triangle name. Remember, mine and yours might not be the same because we decided to describe it differently. Maybe you say, I'm going to say hypotenuse, then short leg, then go to the long leg. Maybe you want to say hypotenuse, long leg, short leg. Okay, I'm going to write my big one, Q, S, R. Let's look at the order I wrote. I wrote Q, S, R. So I wrote down for the longer leg, that is QS, longer leg denoted using B. Okay, SR denoted using A. So I go to B, go to A. All right. Now, just in case you want to find or locate the hypotenuse every single time, locate it quickly, immediately, here is what you need to know. If you have a right triangle, you see the right triangle symbol, the hypotenuse is always opposite the right triangle. Okay, I wrote down the bigger one is QSR. And the medium one, I have STR. And the small size, I have QTS. I faithfully followed the order. I go long leg, and I go short leg. Okay? All right. Now I'm going to answer the question. The question says, there is a relationship, we don't know what's this, and 2SQ is SQ to TQ. Okay, pause the video, see if you can find the missing value. Alright, so I'm going to look at the right hand side. Right hand side says SQ. SQ is here. SQ is here. And to TQ. So SQ is the bigger triangle. It's a bigger triangle's long leg. Can also be the medium-sized triangle hypotenuse. So two possibilities, okay? And then TQ. TQ is right here. TQ is right here. It's the medium-sized triangle longer leg. Okay? Alright, so we know this is a medium-sized triangle longer leg. We're gonna say longer leg is B, which means on this numerator place, SQ should also be a longer leg. Therefore, I say this is the big triangle longer leg B. Wow, once again, a beautiful relationship. We have a big triangle to medium-sized triangle. We're talking about longer leg to longer leg. Very good. Which means when we go to the right-hand side, we will also look at the big triangle and the medium-sized triangle. Medium-sized triangle, let's look at this part. Let's look at what is SQ in medium-sized triangle. SQ in medium-sized triangle, this time I'm going to color it again. You see I color it red. SQ in medium-sized triangle is the hypotenuse. How do we know? Remember earlier we say if you want to find a hypotenuse, you need to first locate the right angle, which is right opposite the right angle. See, here is a right angle, which means this is also right angle. Then opposite the right angle, that is hypotenuse. So we got a medium-sized hypotenuse, which means bigger size triangle, we also need to find a hypotenuse, which is easier because this is a right angle opposite. So hypotenuse missing is QR, and we're going to follow the order. We say RQ. Now we are really done. And I hope you have truly understood this concept, and you will be able to apply it when you solve other same type of problem. Happy learning.